graph a right triangle with the 2 points forming the hypotenuse. So first things first, we're going to draw a triangle. This radius, this long one, that's the hypotenuse. That's our C value. Using the sides, find the distance between the 2 points to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line, and that's 2, and then a vertical line, and I'm pretty sure that's 9. So let's see, leg 1, that's the bottom one, is 2, and then this will go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. So 2 and 9. Now we have to figure out the distance along the hypotenuse. But before we do that, I want to make sure we're showing appropriate work. So let's draw ourselves a triangle that kind of looks like the one that we drew here, like this. Okay. So this is obviously my right angle. That's this corner here. And this one is 2 wide and then 9 long. And let's see, I'm going to call this one A, and I'll call this one B, and this one C, because that angle is across from the right angle. If I use kind of my cheat sheet over here, the sides that touch the square, those are my legs. So I've got 9 and 2, or A and B, or whatever. And then the side that is across from the right angle, that's my C value. Now I'll plug in the values into the Pythagorean theorem, and I have A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So 2 squared plus 9 squared is equal to C squared. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. 9 squared is 9 times 9, which is 81, is equal to C squared. 81 and 4 is 85, is equal to C squared. Then I'll square root both sides to get rid of the square. And so then I should have C is equal to whatever the square root of 85 is. Now I'm going to let you know 85 is not a perfect square, so we're going to need a calculator. We're going to have to do some rounding. Okay, so in goes square root 85. Delta Maths says that this answer is 9.2195 44457, and then I'm going to squish it in here, and I'm going to put 3 dots to imply that that answer is going to keep going on forever and ever. It's not going to stop. And notice that even before we get to that, there's no pattern. There's nothing that repeats indefinitely. We have 3 4s, but then it goes to a 5 7, so it doesn't repeat at all. That's all to set it up just to say that we're going to go ahead and round to the nearest tenth, which is where the 2 is. So if I look to the right, that's a 1. That rounds down. So it's going to be 9.2 is approximately equal to C. Let's punch that into Delta Math. I think I might have forgot that on the last one. 9.2. Green check mark is good. Red X is an opportunity to learn. But let's see how we did. Yeah, we got it right. So there you have it. So hopefully you found that helpful.